Oil prices have surged back above $100 per barrel following a major escalation in the Middle East. The move comes after Donald Trump announced that the U.S. Navy will begin enforcing a blockade linked to the Strait of Hormuz after ceasefire talks with Iran failed. According to U.S. Central Command, the military will block maritime traffic entering and leaving Iranian ports starting Monday. This appears to be a more targeted measure compared to earlier warnings of a full shutdown of the strait. Markets reacted immediately. Brent crude oil rose 7.7% to around $102 per barrel after briefly reaching nearly $104. Meanwhile, WTI crude oil gained more than 8%, trading above $104. The Strait of Hormuz remains a critical global choke point, with roughly one-fifth of the world's oil supply passing through it. The escalation follows failed negotiations held in Pakistan, where U.S. and Iranian officials were unable to reach agreement after more than 20 hours of talks. Key issues included Iran's nuclear program and regional security concerns. U.S. Vice President J.D. Vance, who led the delegation, left the talks without a deal. Analysts note that while oil prices have surged, the broader market reaction has so far remained relatively contained, suggesting investors are still assessing the risk of a wider disruption. However, continued tensions and any expansion of the blockade could lead to sustained supply disruptions and further upward pressure on oil prices. Officials also indicate that diplomatic efforts may continue, although the situation remains highly uncertain. This is a developing story with significant implications for global energy markets. On in Tehran will be decisive.